Okay, now in this presentation I would like to explain about the Karnaugh map, that is K-map. Karnaugh map. Okay, so this map is a graphical representation of, so this map is a graphical representation to simplify the logical expressions. So it is a graphical representation. It is the graphical representation to simplify the logical expressions. Okay, so this Karnaugh map has so many number of types are there. So those are the two variable K-map and three variable K-map and four variable K-map, and also 5 variable and 6 variable K-maps is also there, but we use only up to the 4 variable K-map. After that it is very difficult to simplify the logical expressions. Okay, first I will explain about the 2 variable K-map. So here 2 variables is nothing but 2 inputs. When we are applying of 2 inputs, so here n is equal to 2. That means it is 2 power n. For example, if consider n number of inputs, it will gives 2 power n number of cells. So 2 power n number of cells. Okay, so here the 2 variable K-map is nothing but, so n is equal to 2 here, therefore 2 square is equal to 4 cells are there in the K-map. So how to draw the 2 variable K-map? So here this is the 2 variable K-map. In this 4 cells are there. Okay, so here the 4 cells are 1, 2, 3, 4 cells. So here this is A and this is B. We consider only 2 variables, that is nothing but 2 inputs. So here 0 and 1 and this is 0 and 1. Therefore the number of cells is 0, 1, 2, 3. So in this way you have to represent the 2 variable K-map. So this is the graphical representation of 2 variable K-map. Okay, so for example I consider a number. So for K-map representation there are 2 types of representations are there. The first one is SOP and next one is the POS. So here SOP is nothing but the sum of products. Okay, so in sum of products, so sum of products is nothing but, so for example the equation is, so ABC plus A bar B C bar or plus some AB C bar. So likewise this is the sum of products. So here this is the sum of this product terms. So therefore the SOP is called as min terms. So min terms. Okay, so in SOP representation the cells are filled with ones. The min terms is representing, or the min terms are filled with ones in these cells. Okay, so and next coming to the max terms, that means POS. POS is nothing but, so next coming to the POS form. So POS is nothing but product of sums. So POS is nothing but product of sums. Okay, so here the product of sums is nothing but, so for example, a plus b plus c dot a bar plus b plus c bar dot a bar plus b bar plus c bar. So likewise, so here this is product of sums. So here this is sum and this is sum and this is sum. In middle there is a product. So that's why, so this is a product of sums. Okay, so in POS form the cells are filled with zeros. Okay, so the POS is also called as max terms. So max terms. The POS is also called as max terms, and these cells are filled with zeros. These cells are filled with zeros. And also, and another important point is, so here we have to write this is A is 0 and B is 0 and C is 0 in POS form. So therefore bar is there, the bar is representing with 1 and B is representing with 0. So and bar is representing with 1. So and this is also bar is representing with 1, the bar is representing with 1 and the bar is representing with 1. So likewise you have to write in POS form. So the POS form is representing with a pi. Okay, so by using this symbol we have to identify the given question is POS representation. So in SOP form it will representing with sigma, that means summation. So therefore when we are seeing of the sigma, okay, so the question is belongs to SOP. Okay, so likewise you have to identify the given question is belongs to POS or SOP. Okay, so now I will consider a small example how to do the K-map simplification by using this graphical representation. Okay, so here I consider an example. So that example is sigma small m. So for POS form, sorry, for the SOP form, we representing like this, the sigma and small f of 0, 2, 3. I consider a number that is f is equal to sigma m 0, 2, 3. So this is the example. So how to form pairs in this graphical representation. So here 0 is there, I will put 0, 1 here, and 2 is there and I will put 1 in this 2 cell, and 3 is there and also I will put 1 this 3 cell. So why I am mentioning here 1? So why? Because it is belongs to SOP. So how to represent this is SOP form? In the question they give sigma small m. So that's why this question is belongs to SOP form. In SOP form the cells are filled with ones. Then we will do the pairs. Okay, now we will group these numbers. So we have to pair these numbers. So here these two are one pair and these two are another pair. So then how to write the equation for this given question? So here these two 0 and 1, these two numbers are vary. First one is 0 and after that it is 1. That means it is varying. So therefore what is the constant value here? This is b is constant. Therefore the expression is right. This is b is nothing but b bar. Okay, why? Because it is a 0. So and of this is one group. Grouping is completed, and after that we will consider this is a second loop. So here this is the loop number 1. Okay, and this is a loop number 2. Okay, so for the loop number 1 the expression is b bar. For loop number 2 the expression is Okay, so this is not variable, so therefore consider this one. So a is nothing but 1 is nothing but a, and after that we will see these two are varying. So that means first one is 0 and another one is 0, and if we will consider and next one, that means 0 and 1, 0 1 0 1, it will be changes like this. So that's why we consider only the constant term is there, so that term we will consider here. So therefore the final expression for this question is f is equal to a plus b bar. So in this way you have to find the equation for the given question. So this is belongs to the two variable K map, and this is a belongs to SOP form. Okay, so for example, if we consider a POS form, so I will consider in the POS, and I will take one example. So that is sigma capital M 0 1 and 3 here. Okay, so here sigma and capital M, what is the meaning of this question? So this question is belongs to POS form, so that means product of some form. So therefore we will find the expression for this given numbers. So first of all you have to draw the K map for the two variable. So here this is A and this is B. Okay, so here this is 0 and 1, and this is 0 and 1. So here this is 0 1 2 and 3. So what are the numbers are given? So here 0 is given, so therefore it is a POS form. In the POS form the cells are filled with 0, so that's why I mentioned here a 0. So after that 1 is there, so I fill it with 0, and after that a 3 is there, I fill it with 0, and after that we are forming of loops, or we are forming of groups. So here these two are belongs to one group, and these two are belongs to another group. So that means here this is loop number 1. Okay, so and this is the loop number 2 here. Okay, we are forming of two loops here. Now we will find the expression for this K map. So we consider this loop, I consider. So here the constant term is A. Okay, so actually in SOF representation the 0 is representing with A bar, but in POS representation the 0 is representing A. So the expression is A for this loop number 2. And now consider the loop number 1. So here these two are variable, and now consider only this one. Okay, so here this one is 1, so belongs to 1. 1 is nothing but, so we mention here a dot here. Okay, so that is nothing but a B bar. So likewise you have to represent in the POS form. So there is a difference between SOP and POS. Between two loops we use plus symbol here, and 0 is mentioned here bar, 1 is mentioned with normal letter, but here the 1 is mentioned with bar and 0 is right normal letter. So in between the two loops we use an addition operator, in between the two loops we use a product operator. Okay, so likewise you have to simplify the expressions, or you have to draw the expressions for this given questions. Okay, so next we will move to the variable number 3, that is 3 variable. So that is a 3 variable representation. 3 variable representation. Now 3 variable is nothing but we consider a 3 inputs. Now how many cells are there? That is nothing but 2 cube. So therefore the cells are 8 cells. The cells are 8 cells. How can we draw the representation? So here the cells are 8 cells. So here 1, 2 and 3. So here this is A and this is B. So it is a 2 variable. So therefore 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. Okay. So here this is 0 and 1. Okay. So here this is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5. This is 7 and 6. So likewise we will represent. So now this is 2 variables, that's why the 4 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Here these 2 are reversed for this K-map, and 4, 5 and these 2 are also reversed for this 3 variable K-map. Okay. So likewise you have to draw the 3 variable K-map. Okay. So for example, I consider a number that is, so f is equal to sigma small m, that is 0, 1, 3, 5, 6 are the numbers I have considered. Okay. So for this example, how to draw the expression for these numbers? Okay. So here 0 is nothing but I will put 1 here in this cell, and next one is 1, and the next one is 3, and the next one is the 5, and the next one is the 6. Okay. So in this representation we have to first of all for grouping of these ones, we have to identify how many number of maximum number of groups are there. Okay. So first of all we will check. So maximum number of ones are there. So in how many number of ones they will form a group. Okay. So for example, in this example you have 1, 3, 5, 6. There are 4 ones are there. Okay. Side by side numbers. For grouping of numbers we have to take side by side numbers only. Okay. So this number is side this number, and this number is side this number, and this number is side this number. So that's why I am forming these 4 as one group. And next another group is, so here this is also another group. For this example, how many groups are there? 2 groups. So here this is a 2 small group, and these are the 4 ones, 1 group. Okay. So here we will write the expression for this loops. First of all, this is the loop number 1. So here this is the loop number 1. Okay. So here this is the loop number 1, and this is the loop number 2 here. Okay. So for the first loop, so how can we write the expression? So here we consider, so these 2, first of all consider these 2. So 0 and 1. So these are a variable. So that's why no need to consider this number. So and now consider this number. So which number is a constant number is there in this number? So here B, this is B and C. This is also B and C here. So here the B is variable. So that means once it is 0 and after that it is 1. Okay. So here the C is a constant term. Okay. So that's why, so we have to mention the C in the expression. So the expression is, we have to write C here. Okay. And after that the second loop is, where is the second loop? So here the second loop is, we consider only this number, that is A bar. Okay, and after that we will consider these two numbers. After that we will consider these two numbers. So here B and this C, that means this C and this C are variable, and the constant term is only this B. So this B is 0. So that's why it will represented with B bar. So therefore the expression for this question is F is equal to C plus A bar B bar. So likewise you have to represent the numbers in the 3 variable K map. So now coming to the 4 variable K map. In 4 variable K map, okay, so here the number of variables is equal to 4. So that means how many cells are forming? So there are 16 cells. That means 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. So therefore the 16 cells to be formed in the K map representation. Now I will draw the K map representation. So therefore okay, so here this is A, B and this is C and D. So here these are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. And these are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. Okay, so now 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So likewise you have to represent the total number of 16 cells. So here the last 2 cells are interchanging. Okay, so now I will consider one example for this 4 variable representation. Okay, so that example is, okay, so in this the terms are representing like this. So it is a very important for your exam point of view. So here it will be representing as M0, M1, M3, M4. That means this is M2 and M4, M5, M6. So here this is 7 and this is 6. So therefore this is 7 and the next one is M6. This is M12, M13, so M14, so this is M15 and this is M14. So this is M8 and this is M9 and this is M11 and this is M10. So likewise you have to represent the numbers in the 4 variable K map. Okay. Now for this 4 variable K map I consider an example. So that example is ABC. So f of A comma B comma C comma D. Okay, so that is ABC plus next one is B bar C D and another one is BD. Okay, so I consider a number. So you have to simplify this expression by using corner map. Okay, so first of all the given expression, it is a 4 variable K map. So how can you know that this is a 4 variable K map? So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are representing this in this question. So that's why it is a 4 variable K-map. When the question is given like this, this question is first of all converting into a standard form representation. So that means the standard form representation is, so for example, you have to identify. So what are the missing numbers are there in this given expression? Okay, so for example, A, B, C, only 3 terms are there. Okay, 3 letters are there. Actually, how many variables? There are 4 variables. That means in this the missing letter is D. Okay, and after that B bar, C, D. In this the missing letter is A. Okay, and after that B, D. The missing letter is A, S, C. Okay, so now these are the missing letters. First of all, you have to identify, and after that this total expression is converting into standard form representation. So here the missing number is, so A, B, C into, I will write as D plus D bar. So why I will write as D plus D bar? From the Boolean laws. From the Boolean laws, A plus A bar is equal to 1. By using this law, I write as in the place of missing letter D plus D bar. So D plus D bar is nothing but 1. So and after that the expression is B bar C D. The missing letter is A. So I will write as B bar C D into A plus A bar. Okay, and after this word, here the 2 letters are missing. So the 2 letters are A and C. Now we will write as BD into A plus A bar and C plus C bar. Okay, so that means this is 1 and this is also 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 into 1 is 1. So the BD expression is satisfied. So that's why what are the missing terms are there. So that missing terms are I write like this. Okay. So and the next one is we have to multiply this number. So that is A, B, C, D plus A, B, C, D bar, and after that A, B bar, C, D plus A bar, B bar, C, D plus, now we have to simplify this expression. So BD into, so A into C, that is AC plus AC bar. Okay, and after that plus A bar C plus A bar C bar. Okay, finally we have to multiply this number with this. So here that is A, B, C, D plus A, B, C, D bar plus A, B, A bar, C, D plus A bar, B bar, C, D plus, you have to multiply with this. A, B, C dot C is nothing but C. So here C dot C is also from the Boolean laws. A dot A is equal to A. So that's why C dot C is equal to C here. Okay. So here this is not C, this is a D. So that's why it is A, B, C, D plus. So this is A, B, C bar, D, and after that A bar, B, C, D, and plus A bar, B, C bar, D. Okay. So likewise you have to simplify this expression. Simply I will multiply BD with this expression only. Now we have to identify what are the numbers are there. So here B, C, D, there is no bars here. Therefore all the numbers are 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So here this is 1, 1, 1, 0. and after that this number is 1 0 1 1. Okay, and after that this number is 0 0 1 1. Okay, and after that this is also ABCD and this is also ABCD. So therefore 2 times is repeated, then we will write as only 1 time. So next one is AB, that means 1 1 0 1. Okay, and after that 0 1 1 1. So here this term is also repeated, so that's why we will write only 1 time. So this is also repeated. Okay, so here this was not repeated. Okay, and after that, so here this is 0 1 0 1. So here these are the numbers. For these numbers we have to do the 4 variable K map. So here the numbers are, so f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to summation of small m. So here the 4 ones is nothing but 15. Okay, so here this is f14. So this number is, so here this is a 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square. So here that is 2 cube. So 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So this number is 11, and after that this number is 3, and after that this number is 2 cube 2 square, 2 cube plus 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay, and after that this number is 7, and after that this number is 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so here this is the numbers for simplifying of this expression. Okay, so now we will write in the order. So that is f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to summation m is equal to, so here 3 5 7 11 13 14 and 15. So here these are the numbers we have to simplify by using K map. Now I will draw the K map. Okay, so it is a 4 variable K map, and how to write the numbers here. So for example, here it is AB and this is CD. Okay, so here these are the 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So here 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Okay, so now next one 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. So 8 9 10 and 11 12 13 and 14 and 15. So these are the numbers. Now for these numbers you have to do the 4 variable K map. So here the 3 is there, we will put 1 here, and 5 is there, and after 1, and 7 is there, and 11 is there, and 13 is there, and next one is 14 is there, and 15 is there. Okay, so these are the numbers for given expression. So now we have to do the loops. Okay, so first of all, what are the maximum number of ones are there? So you have to group first that maximum number of ones. For you have to observe this 4 variable K map. How many maximum number of ones are there? So there are 4 is there. So that's why we have to form a loop for this 4. Okay, and after that 4 is completed, and after that you have to do 2. So that means you have to form only one form a loop, and 2 ones form a loop, and 4 ones form a loop, and after 8 ones also form a loop. So likewise we have to form a loops. So 4 ones form a loop, and after that, so here there are 2 ones are there, these 2 ones and forming a loop, and these 2 ones also form a loop, and these 2 ones also form a loop here. So how many number of loops are there? So here this is the loop number 1, and here this is loop number 2, this is loop number 4, and this is loop number 5. Okay, so likewise you have to form a 5 loops, okay, for this question. Okay, so for obtaining of, we are calculating of these loops, we are obtaining the same expression. So what are the expression we have derived? So that expression is obtained. Okay, so likewise you have to form the loops and you have to form the groups. Okay, so next we will move to the next question. So that is okay, so the next question is I consider a 4 variable K map. So that is, for example, so A comma B comma C comma D was there for in summation of the given number like 0, 1, 3, 7, some 8 or some 12 and some 14. So this is the equation is given. So how to convert? This is a actually this is a SOP form representation. So how can we identify? So here sigma m is there. So that's why the given question is an SOP form representation. That means SOP form is nothing but sum of products form. Okay, so this sum of products form is converting into POS or vice versa. Okay, so that's this is and belongs to SOP question. So this SOP is converting into POS. So how can we convert? Okay, so we have to identify. So how many number of missing numbers are there in this? So how many number of missing numbers are there? So here 0 is there, 1 is there, and 2 is not there. Okay, so 3 is there, and 4 is not there, and 5 is not there, 6 is not there, and 7 is there. Okay, so and after that 8 is there, and okay, so in between numbers 9 is not there, 10 is not there, and 11 is not there. So okay, so and after that, so okay, so that means what are the missing numbers are there? Those missing numbers are formed as POS form. So therefore, after converting of this SOP form, the POS representation is A comma B comma C comma D is equal to POS representation is we representing with pi capital M. So that's why these are the max terms. So the missing terms are 2, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10 and 11 are the POS representation for this above question. Okay, so in this way you have to convert the SOP form to POS form. Next we will move to the another question. So the question is belongs to POS. for POS representation. This is also a 4 variable K map. So that is f of a comma b comma c comma d, and consider numbers. So those numbers are 0, 3, 5, and next one is a 12 and 14. Okay, so these are the numbers I consider. So for this number we have to write the 4 variable K map in POS form. Okay, so here these are A, B, C, D. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Here 0, 0, 0, 1. So here these are 1, 1 and 1, 0. So here 1, 1 and 1, 0. So 0, 1, 3, 2, 5, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So these are the K2 variable K map 4, 5. So this is 7 and 6. Okay. So now we will represent, we filled it with cells with 0. So why? Because it is a POS representation. Okay. So here 0 is filled with 0, and the next number is 3 is filled with 0, and 5 is filled with 0, and 12 is filled with 0, and 14 is also filled with 0. In these examples there is no groupings are formed, so therefore we have to take individual groups. So here this is one group, and this is also one group, and this is one group, and this is one group, and this is one group. Okay, so how to represent this number? Okay, so first of all we consider this number. For looping for this number, this is a bar 0, 0. 0, 0 is nothing but in POS form we write as normal numbers. Those are A plus B plus, so 0, 0, A, B plus C, D, that is C plus D. So here this is one expression, and another one is we have to take here. This is also one loop, and we will see this corresponding number. Those are the 0 zeros. 0 zeros is nothing but A plus B, and after that 1 1 is there. So 1 1 is nothing but in POS form we are representing with bar. So therefore those are C bar plus D bar. Okay. So and next one is, next loop is, so this is the next loop. We consider A, B. So this is A plus, and this is B, 1 is nothing but we will representing with bar. And next coming to this one. So here this is C is 0, nothing but C plus D bar. So here this is one expression. And after that, so here this is also another loop. So here A, B is nothing but A bar plus B bar. Okay, and you have to see here CD is nothing but 0, 0. So 0, 0 is nothing but and again that is plus C plus D. Okay, next. Now the next loop is, so here these are 1, 1 is nothing but A plus B plus, so here this is C plus D, that is nothing but C bar plus D. So likewise in the POS form we have to represent the expressions. Okay, so these are the expressions for this question. Okay, so therefore finally the answer is, so f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to, the first one is a plus b plus c plus d dot, so a plus b plus d plus c bar, and the next one is a plus b bar plus c plus d. Okay, so next one is dot, so a plus b plus c bar plus d bar, and last one is, so a plus b plus c bar plus d. Okay, so likewise you have to represent in the POS form. Okay, so next we will move to the don't care conditions. For don't care conditions is nothing but the unused or the invalid numbers. So that is nothing but unused numbers or the invalid numbers. Invalid numbers. Okay, so for example I consider for BCD numbers. So in the last presentation I have explained. So for BCD numbers, so BCD numbers, how many numbers are there? 0 to 9 are the BCD numbers. After 10 that is A, B, C, D, E, F. So in the BCD representation these numbers are invalid numbers. In BCD representation, so these numbers are invalid numbers. So that's why these invalid numbers are indicating with don't cares. So the don't cares are representing with a small cross, or in some of the textbooks they follow a small d also. Okay, so the don't care is nothing but invalid numbers or unused numbers. So for K-map simplification, these don't cares also consider as a loop. So why? Because you have to reduce the number of min terms or max terms in that expression. So for example, I consider a number, so that number is, so for example, so f of some a comma b comma c is there. I consider only 3 variable k map. So here the 3 variable k maps 0, 3 and 5. No. So this is D. Okay, so I consider a number that is 0, 3, 5 and 7 numbers, and after that the don't cares of 2 comma, so some 4 comma, some numbers or some 8 comma numbers are there. So this is about don't cares. This is about the don't cares. So now I will draw the 4 variable k map here. A, B and C, D. So these are the 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So 0, 0 here, this is 1, 1 and this is 1, 0. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. So 8, 9, 11, 10. So 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay. So the numbers are so 0. Next one is 3, next one is 5 and 7. So I will change this 0 with 1. So here 1. Okay, and the don't cares are 2. The don't cares are 2. Next one is 4 and the next one is an 8. Okay. So, in some of the questions, so the don't cares is taken as, for the side by side number, it will be considered as 1 and also 0. Okay. So, this number is also we will take. So, that means, so I consider an 0 also here. So, therefore, we will put 1 here. So, how many number of loops are formed for this question? So, here first of all, how many maximum number of loops are formed, we will see. So, here in this case, the don't care condition is also considered. So, why? Because you have to reduce the maximum number of terms, min terms in the expression. Okay. So, and after that, another loop is, you have to form a loop for these 4 as a loop. Okay. So, now I will write the expression for this question is f of, so a comma b comma c comma d is equal to, so for this expression, so these all are the variables. That means one is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. That means these are vary. So, what are the constant terms are there? Those terms we will consider only. So, therefore 0, 0. So, here 0, 0 is nothing but a bar, b bar. Okay. So, this is the loop number 1. And next loop is, so this is also a 1 loop. So, for this, in this 0 is, a is constant. So, therefore, plus a bar and this d is constant. So, therefore, d, a bar, b bar plus a, d bar. For this question, we have to simplify this numbers, we will obtain this question. So, by using of this don't case, we have to reduce the number of expressions. That means the number of min terms are reduced. Okay. Thank you.